everyone and welcome back to TechNuovo. My name's Steph and we've just finished up a Sony's pre-CES 2020 press conference, and to be honest with you, it was a very hit and miss kind of show. Don't get me wrong, sitting in the audience at a major press conference, hearing Sony rattle off new features to already released products and also show off a PlayStation 5 logo was exciting, but I left there wanting a little more. So Nick and I went into the show thinking we were going to see televisions, which we did, and we got all the info on the brand new Z8H range, which is Sony's new flagship model, coming in at 85 and 75 inches respectively. They showed off the fact that it can hit 8K resolutions with HDR and is still using the same X1 processing engine that we've seen on last year's models, although this time it's been branded the X1 Extreme. The X1 analyzes and processes data to power an 8K picture. There's also upscaling capabilities as well if you're not quite hitting the full 8K resolution. Who is though right? Oh, that's it. No one. The X1 processor is paired with Sony's Deep Learning X Reality Pro and its 8K database that optimizes your on-screen image against virtual real-world textures. Now, Sony also went into some information on the PlayStation, but not the 5. They went over some previous feats like the fact that Sony has sold a whole bunch of PS4s, or the fact that Sony is continually innovating and introducing new features to the PS4, like enabling external hard drive use or the fact that they've released SharePlay. That's great stuff, but still nothing we really wanted to hear. We wanted the PS5, and to be fair, we did get it to some degree, but not in the capacity that we were expecting. Sony showed off things that we already knew, like the haptic adaptive triggers or ultra high speed SSDs and hardware based ray tracing. Now, we wanted something new, but all we got was a measly logo. No, wait, I mean we got the PS5 logo, which looked exactly like the PS4 logo. Oh well, at least we got something. What was interesting though was the implementation of 5G handsets on the back of broadcast quality cameras. Essentially, the wireless kit, which included one of the Xperia handsets, can be attached to the rear of a broadcast quality camera, and then it sends out a video signal to a central location, and the results, we were told, have been extremely positive for the sporting industry, and that they can now install cameras into places they never could in the past, like the wire cam at a football game, or on drones, or even the front of push bikes to give a sense of speed. Now, the last announcement, and one that was probably the highlight of the night, was the car, the Sony Vision S. A fully electric vehicle that you know is heading towards becoming a Tesla rival. It looks pretty fierce and has some very nice features packed into the cabin. Now, first is the immersive audio experience, which promised 360-degree audio to give you an equal and immersive sound. There's also a panoramic screen which looked to stretch across the dashboard from the steering wheel to the passenger door. The car is also able to adapt to its user with updatable systems, a personalized cabin, as well as vision link. Now, the car features 33 different sensors inside and out. The outside uses a mixture of technologies like CMOS and LiDAR, which help deliver object recognition and even gauge distant measurements in real time to avoid collisions using a 3D grasp of real-life space. The internal sensors, or time of flight sensors as they're called, are used to detect people and objects inside of the car. The information is then used for infotainment, improved safety and comfort. Now, this all sounds pretty interesting, right? Well, the Sony Vision S right now is just a concept with no real goal of bringing it to the market. It's a testbed for Sony to show off all their latest tech in one easy package, and to make us patrons of the Sony CES 2020 press conference raise our phones and cameras in excitement and share our content on social media like what we're doing with this video. But unfortunately, they didn't answer the most important question. Is it a playable vehicle in Gran Turismo? So thanks for checking out our video on Sony's CES 2020 press conference. If you enjoyed the video, do click that like button. Please do subscribe to keep up with all of our latest tech and gaming videos, and also the rest of our CES 2020 content. And also let us know in the comments down below what you think about these Sony updates, whether it's what you expected or did you want anything more like we did with the PS5, for example. Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.